In this lecture, we'll study another property of generating function. Let a be a numeric function and az its generating function. Let b be a numeric function such that br is equal to alpha to the power r ar for some constant alpha. Then we have bz is equal to a alpha z. So we have two numeric functions a and b, and if b can be written as alpha to the power r ar, where alpha is one constant, then this numeric function can be written in the form of generating function as bz is equal to a alpha z. So here we have br is equal to alpha to the power r ar. So let us write it down in the form of list. Put the value of r is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. So we'll get alpha to the power 0 a0 plus, so it will not be plus, it will be comma, alpha to the power 1 a1 comma alpha to the power 2 a2 and so on until alpha to the power r ar comma and so on. Okay, so now let us write it down in the form of generating function. So bz is equal to alpha to the power 0 a0 z to the power 0 plus this is alpha to the power 1 a1 z to the power 1 plus alpha square a2 z square plus dot dot alpha to the power r ar z to the power r and so on. So this can be written as a0 alpha z to the power 0 a1 alpha z to the power 1 plus a2 into alpha z square ar into alpha z to the power r and so on. It can be written as a0, let alpha z is x, then a0 x to the power 0 plus we have a1 x1 a2 x square plus ar x to the power r and so on, or it is nothing but a0 plus x to the power 0 is 1 a1 x to the power 1 plus a2 x square plus a to the ar x to the power r and so on. So it can be written in the form of ax, okay, because here we have taken the variable x. Okay, so here you can write it down in the bracket, x is equal to alpha z. Okay, now again put back the value of x here, so we have alpha z. So this we got it. So bz is equal to a alpha z. So in this way you can derive this particular formula from this relation. Come to one example. Find the generating function of the numeric function ar is equal to alpha to the power r, where r is greater than or equal to 0. So here we have ar is equal to alpha to the power r, where r is greater than or equal to 0. So let us write down this numeric function in the form of list. So we'll get alpha to the power 0, alpha to the power 1, alpha to the power 2, alpha to the power r and so on. Okay, now let us write it down the corresponding generating function of this numeric function. So here we get alpha to the power 0 z to the power 0 plus alpha to the power 1 z to the power 1 alpha square z square alpha to the power r z to the power r and so on. Okay, so this one is nothing but 1 plus alpha z whole to the power 1 plus alpha z whole to the power 2 plus alpha z whole to the power r plus and so on. Okay, so let's suppose this alpha z is x, so it is in the form of 1 plus x square plus x cube and so on. So it can be 1 minus 1 divided by 1 minus alpha z. So we have taken the formula here 1 plus x square plus x cube and so on. Okay, so we got here the generic function az is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus alpha z. Okay, so this is the answer, we got it. Come to another example. Find the numeric function corresponding to the generating function az is equal to 2 divided by 1 minus 4z square. So here it is given a generating function az. Now we have to find out the corresponding numeric function. So we can write it down. Az is equal to 2 divided by 1 minus 4z square. Okay, which is equal to 2 divided by 1 minus 2z whole square, which can be written as 1 plus 2z into 1 minus 2z. So the formula is 1 minus a square is equal to 1 plus a into 1 minus a. Okay, now we'll do the by parts here. So it can be written as a divided by 1 plus 2z plus b divided by 1 minus 2z. Okay, so this is the LCM. So here we have a into 1 minus 2z plus b into 1 plus 2z. Okay, so it is we can write it down like this: a plus b plus minus 2a. This one is a into minus 2 is minus 2a plus b into 2 is 2b plus 2b into z. Okay, divided by 1 plus 2z 1 minus 2z. Okay, so let's suppose this is az and this is equation 1. Now let's suppose it is equation 2, it is also az. Okay, now compare these two equation. We will get a plus b is equal to 2, which is a constant, and there is a no coefficient of z. So this is minus 2a plus 2b is equal to 0. Okay, so we can have a plus b is equal to 0. This is one equation we got. Minus 2a plus 2b is equal to a plus b is equal to, it is not 0, it is equal to 2 because it's a constant. Minus 2a plus 2b is equal to 0. Now let us solve these two equations. So let's multiply here with 2. Okay, now add these two equations. So this will be cancelled out, this will be 0. 2b plus 2b is equal to 4b 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 0 is 4, which implies b is equal to 1. Okay, now put the value of b is equal to 1 here. Okay, so we'll get a is equal to 1. Okay, now we can write it down az, a divided by 1 plus 2z plus b divided by 1 minus 2z. So we got the value of a and b. So this az can be written as a is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 2z plus 1 divided by 1 minus 2z. Okay, or it can be written as 1 divided by 1 minus of 2z, okay, plus 1 divided by 1 minus 2z. Okay, now take it as x, and so we'll get the corresponding numeric function will be ar into minus 2 to the power r plus. Okay, so we can have another step here. It can be written as 1 plus x, that is minus 2z, square and so on, minus 2z to the power r. Okay, so this is corresponding to this term, then plus corresponding to this we have 1 plus 2z plus 2z square plus 2z to the power r and so on. Okay, so see here, the value of the first part, the value of the numeric function at r is minus 2 to the power r here, and from the second part the value of the numeric function at r is 2 to the power r here. Okay, so for this part, first part, we can write ar is equal to minus 2 to the power r, and for second part we get, come to this term, see here, this term, in this term we have 2 to the power r. Okay, so this is equal to this is equal to 2 to the power r. Okay, so this is the answer, we got it. Okay, and this answer is similar to a to the power r is equal to 2 to the power r plus minus 2 to the power r, okay? And r is greater than or equal to 0.